Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys read from the title, we are going to do our prep and pack for our trip. I have a question for y'all. Are you guys last minute packers like me? My trip is tomorrow and I am not packed. This is what I got. Everything is just everywhere. Now why would I do that? So let's start packing, let's start organizing. And if you are new here, hi, I am Liz. I currently live in South Korea, and me and my partner are going on a trip to the Philippines tomorrow for about a week. You haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and please turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post. And also please make sure to comment your favorite part of my packing video. I'm gonna turn on this light so we have better lighting. Don't mind the mess in the background because we're packing. That is what we're doing. Okay, so I'm gonna pack some of my clothes in like the little baggie to see if that saved me some space. So these are some sandals that I got from SHEIN as well for my trip. And then I still don't know what I'm gonna wear to the airport because we leave here tomorrow at 3 a.m. So I was gonna originally wear these shorts, but I'm not. Let's see. I could probably fit some shirts in there with it. So we'll pack this and this one. And then we remember this black one. I really liked this one. Where is this bag? And the matching shorts. Then we have these shorts. I didn't try these shorts on the video because I was a little iffy if I wanted to wear them. I'm gonna still pack them just in case. But then the challenge of it all, guys, is that I can't pack anything more than 30 pounds. Like, 30 pounds? Who made up that rule? This cute little crop top came with these pants. I'm gonna put them together. But yeah, 30 pounds is crazy. Because who can pack with 30 pounds? I'm also only gonna put my new clothes on this side and then my regular clothes on this side. This was also one of my favorite outfits from my haul. I gave the green one to my girl because we all knew that that green one was not going to survive. And then my skirt. We're going to put a few more things in this bag because I feel like more can fit. Oops. question. When you guys pack for your trips, how do you guys pack? Are you guys a roller, a folder? Like, how do you guys pack? Like, do you guys pack like, oops. Okay, so do you guys pack like, you know, like this, like you fold it regularly? Or are you one of the ones that roll like this? What kind of packer are you? I want to know. All right, so you guys remember in the SHEIN haul, I was talking about the bodysuit, the QQD bodysuit. This is the cream one that I was talking about, wearing it with the orange skirt. I think this would be so cute. I'm gonna move these back. I'm gonna put that on this side. So we're gonna take that green shirt. We're gonna take this green shirt. I love this green shirt. It's my girl's. And we're gonna pack it because I love this green shirt on me. If you've seen me wear it already, close your eyes. Some undergarment. We got some crop tops. A bodysuit. I love this bodysuit. I have the shorts for it. We have another crop top. Another one. Another one. I'm gonna put my pictures last. So y'all remember that dress that Dylan had bought that I showed you guys? I found another shirt that I had that had the little angels. So I'm gonna take this for the day that she decides to wear it. I can wear this. And then that would be such a cute picture. Another crop top. I bought this leather skirt from Charlotte Russe when I was in Florida. And I never got to wear it. I'm not really a skirt girl, but I'm gonna still take it. Maybe I'll be in the mood. I could probably wear it with this and put them together. We'll see how I'm feeling that day. Then I got some bodysuits that are strapless. I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of jeans, but I don't know. I'm gonna put them on the side to debate if I am gonna bring some jeans. I have another strapless cream shirt. And then this is the sleeve. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear this to go to the Philippines. It's like a bodysuit, so it'll be like cute and simple, and then I can wear it with like a jacket because it's still cold here, but it's not cold there. But my cute little jacket, right? That would be cute. The only thing is that if I have to pee on the plane, I would have to take all of it off. I don't know. We're gonna put it to the side. But then I also thought about wearing this Yitty bodysuit for the airport. It looks small, I know, guys. It looks super small compared to my body, but it fits. So I don't know. So it's between this and that. And I can wear some jeans with that. Then I'm gonna bring up some workout clothes because my girl's already talking about working out while there, and last trip we worked out some of the days that we were there and I didn't have much workout clothes, so I'm gonna bring some workout clothes. Alright, so I think we have enough shirts for this trip. I'm a shirt girl. I need some pants for these outfits. All right, so the last thing that we need to pack is our perfume. So should I take my Chanel? Should I take my Victoria's Secret Escape? My Marc Jacobs? Or my Billie Eilish? Or do I take all of them? Because I don't know what I'm gonna be feeling that day. I'm gonna take all of them. All right, let's see if she actually packed this correctly. Who else packs like this? Because only a person who is not human packs like this. I'm talking to my video about your packing skills. I'm fixing it. Because if I can get more room in your suitcase, baby, I'm busy. I'm gonna refold your stuff. Because what is this? Jesucristo. Dang, homegirl. We moving to the Philippines? Huh? She must be moving to the Philippines, boy. Not you got Yashiria. What? You still got this warranty in this suitcase? The warranty certification? Yes, of the suitcase. You're right, you probably didn't see it because you just threw all your shit in here. So we're gonna put her stuff over there. We're gonna put her bathing suits. We're gonna put her clothes here. So let's put you right here. Okay. So this is your workout. Workout shirt. Baby, can you bring me what you want me to put? That was way too dark. All right, so I'm gonna pack this up and I'll be back. You please.
You please.
You please. All right, so.
Shut the hell up. Babe, that's what they doing a uniform inspection this week. Guess who ain't got a uniform? Me.
You so goofy. You so goofy. Was you not gonna pass your inspection? So I didn't.
It's in our the damn uniform we wear every fucking day.
Anyways, okay, so look, I got.
You do that anyway.
I'm sorry.
I'm about to jump across the room and smack the shit out of you.
I'm sorry.
What's that? Why you about me now?
I have the one in the bathroom for you, so that you don't.
Record yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
The spray tan oil.
Oh, that's why. Okay, go ahead. What?
I have the sunblock for you.
I don't need that.
Anyways, I heard that the Philippines has a lot of bugs, mosquitoes that bite you.
Yeah.
So I got a repellent.
Yeah.
Because you wasn't thinking about that.
Girl, okay.
I got a little spray and a little got to be for my hair, for your hair. I got some razors just in case my legs get hairy. Then I got, this is very, very important, baby.
What's that?
It's aloe.
Gel?
Aloe gel, yeah. You put it on your body after you go to the beach or you're in the sun.
That's what you do?
I'm
just asking. I ain't never seen that.
Your skin.
Your skin.
You can put it on too.
I have melanin, baby. I don't need no protection. This is protection.
Girl, hush.
This is protection, baby.
You know goddamn protection. I got our little fan. Well, my little fan.
Where mine?
I don't know.
That's mine.
No, it's not.
That is my fan.
No, it's
Babe,
not.
that's my fucking fan.
No, it's
that's
not.
not your fan.
This is not
my
your
fan was pink. Yours was like white or some shit.
Anyways, then I have the ocean water makes my face really, really dry. So I got my lotions in little. And then my body lotion.
Some more of that though.
Huh?
Give me some more of that though. Ain't that mine?
Everything is yours, bro. No, this ain't yours.
I bought them little Aveeno bottles.
Okay, that don't mean this one's yours. So everything you buy in this house is just yours?
I bought them little. You ain't
So,
buy them little
you know
Aveeno
what?
lotion bottles of lotion.
Anyways.
You did not buy that, bro.
I didn't say I bought this one.
First of all, is that the only one there is? What's that? Where are you putting that lotion at?
I told you my body. Like my legs.
Your whole body?
No, like my legs. Because I ain't walking around actually like you.
Fuck you. That's my lotion and I'm gonna use it.
No, you're
my
not.
Legs.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Just because you.
And then I got this moisturizer.
Damn. How much moisturizer should you need?
My face gets really, really dry in the ocean. You're a hater. She's a hater. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will make sure to keep you guys updated in my trip. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.